'Tis the season, of course. Probably not yet, but I'm excited because we just received from the National Tree Company our very own little pre-lit, may I add, um, Christmas tree. And this is really cool because apparently it's supposed to be really easy to install. So of course they come in two different parts. This one here is a 4.5 foot tree, but of course the taller ones would have multiple parts, and each part will come with these protective pieces here that you might want to keep when you're actually storing this thing when you're not using it. So let's look at everything that comes with it. Of course, you've got the base, you've got um, extra lights, so little light bulbs if you want to do some changing if anything burns out. So there you go. At least that's there. And let me just kind of wing it and see how it goes. Look at that. It already wants to. I'm so impressed with myself already. I didn't do a thing. So what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to show you because of course you need to see this. The base here has a locking mechanism like you would expect on any base for trees of this nature. I'm going to stand up here so you can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm not doing much, I have to be honest. This is it. So the next part, next section here, will have just this little piece here that's a square piece, and it fits right on top. And then this little piece I would have to connect to this, of course. And bring everything down. Look at that. Then, and the really nice thing is that you can play with these. So you can arrange it however you feel looks more natural. Pre-lit, so there's no more tangling and trying to look for those lights wherever you've put them. Let me make sure that it's all properly done. We'll be right back. I'll plug it in and show you how that pre-lit tree looks. So of course, this is not my height. We propped it up on a little table right here. It's 4.5 feet, like I said. It took about 2 minutes for my wife and I to kind of go around and place it however we wanted. And the one thing to really notice is that this is really high quality. This is not the kind of like little plastic. Of course, it's plastic, but it's not falling apart. As you can see, I'm pulling on it, and it's actually really sturdy in there. And the way you can move it with the wiring inside, it actually looks pretty natural. Let's plug it in. Like I said, already pre-wired. Look at that. More than half the job done in minutes. And the other amazing thing is once we're done with it, unplug it, fold it, take it apart, again in minutes, in the bag, ready for next year. Super, super pretty.